everyone, welcome back to Gypsyfae Creations. Tiara here with a sweet little DIY inspired by Mother's Day. With this holiday coming up, I thought it'd be cute to make some bath tea packets to give out as gifts for moms or even friends that are moms or just people with birthdays. I don't know, cute little DIY project that you could do at home. I'm going to show you how to make some bath tea and you can treat yourself if you like. So let's get started. The list of ingredients here. I've got my bowl that I use for Bath and Body products, and I don't use this for food, and in it I have some Epsom salts. There is no rhyme or reason to how much or how little. It's just kind of what's your preference, how many bath teas do you want to make. I've got some lavender buds from How to Look Pretty. Got some Dead Sea salt from Crafter's Choice or Wholesale Supplies Plus. I've got my fragrance oil, my pipette. I have these tea bags I got from Wholesale Supplies Plus. And I've got in this little bowl a concoction of different things. You can customize this any way you like. Some dried orange peels in there. There's some chamomile. There's some mint and some lemon balm and some rose, and really just put anything you want in it because we are making a tea. It's just kind of a concoction of all the different herbs and flowers and botanicals that you can think of you can add to this. And again, no rhyme or reason to my measuring here. I'm just kind of pouring and filling. We'll start with the Dead Sea salts, not adding too much of this Epsom salt or sea salt to this. It's all going to dissolve in the bath. It's just a filler. You want to do like half the salt and half the botanicals. I'm going to pour them in there. And then I'm going to add my lavender buds. And the reason why I think bath teas are so awesome is because if you've had a bath soak or a bath salt, like a jar of bath salts, you can kind of just pour them in. You don't have to worry too much about, things clogging your drain or getting stuck to you. But this is contained. It is not going to make a horrible, horrible mess in your bathtub. But it's still got great benefits. You can just put so much more into it that you couldn't in a bath salt. Alright, so then I'm going to add a few drops of this fragrance. It is a lavender and chamomile in here. It's probably like one pipette full, about a milliliter. You don't need a whole bunch. And just mix that up. Look how pretty that is. I just think this is gorgeous. And again, you can modify this any way you like. You can put any different salt in here. Himalayan salts, black salt. You can put any type of herb you want in here. If you want to add peppermint and do like a peppermint sinus smelling bath tea, you could do that. But this is just so pretty. I hate to put it in the bag because then you don't see it. Alright, so I'm going to grab one of these tea bags here. Find the opening to it. There it is. On the side here. Let me get a spoon. Hold on. Alright, the other thing you're going to need here for these particular bath tea bags is an iron, because that is a way to close them. So be careful. I'm going to be careful. Try not to burn myself. And then as I'm playing with these tea bags, they kind of remind me of like sheets of toilet paper. Just like, can you spare a square? Alright, so we're going to spoon this into these tea bags. Probably going to put about 2 heaping tablespoons in there and set that to the side, and then we'll just like do the same thing with the next one. It smells so good. And if you wanted to make these with essential oils, you can do that as well. You just use your imagination. These are so easy. I know you've probably got some of this stuff laying around, or you can go to the drugstore and get Epsom salts or like sea salts. Alright, so just to start closing these and show you how to do that, I'm going to lay this towel down here, protect the surfaces, and just gather an end like that. Just run the iron over it. I think that's hot enough. Yeah, just for safe measures, do the other side. And we're closed. Look at that. Got a bag of bath tea there. Just do that with the other ones. And voila! And then you can just put these in cute little packages. I think like 2 could go together very well. And I'm in love. I love them. Look how easy that was. Throw stuff into tea bag, throw in tub. Enjoy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, you can leave them in the comment section down below. And until next time, smell you later.